Today, let's prepare yummy roasted peanuts. First step is to sort the peanuts, removing the bad ones and any dirt, followed by washing to remove the dusts, making sure the peanuts is clean and ready to cook. Now that our peanuts are clean, add in some salt according to your preference. Time to pour our peanuts onto a heated pan, spreading it evenly, and this is to ensure that each peanut roasts well. In order for your peanuts to cook well, please ensure you use low heat. Keep on stirring from time to time to ensure that the peanuts do not get burnt. You can hear the peanuts popping, which shows that they are almost done. Our peanuts are now fully roasted. This process has taken 15 minutes in total. Can't wait for you to try this recipe out and tell me how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye!